Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I want to do a quick unboxing of this Coach wallet I just recently purchased for a family member of mine. He's going to be completely surprised. He has no clue. We'll be giving it to him next month sometime. But so this is a Coach gift set, 3-in-1 wallet for men. And when you get it, it comes like this in the plastic, taped. So you open it here. It's on sale right now for like a little less than $100. I'll insert a clip of the price. And I got this from CoachOutlet.com. So the cool thing about Coach is you can get discounted prices for really great items on CoachOutlet.com versus just Coach.com. So look at both sites just to see, you know, your options and what you may be able to get for better prices. So this is a cardboard box. Very nice. I'm probably going to stick a bow on top of this. I probably won't rewrap this. You open the box and the Coach wallet looks like this. So I got the traditional Coach print, the classic Coach print. This is a leather, very heavy duty leather keychain here that says Coach. I'm going to try to be very careful with this since I will be giving it away. And then this part is, they have it very nice in this rubber band here. It is a card case. It's a separate credit card case. You would insert this inside of the wallet. I think they have a picture of that online too, so I'll insert that. What I love about Coach Outlet and Coach is that they insert videos of, you know, their items and how to wear them. And then you have the regular men's wallet. There is a light burgundy outline to the black, like a brownish burgundy, which really takes it up a notch with the class. And then it has the full size wallet there for your bills, your dollar bills. So this is just a quick look at how this comes, just in case you were curious. This is great to give someone as a gift, just like this, and just slapping a bow on top of it or a pool ribbon. I love these gift sets. So go to CoachOutlet.com today, see what deals you can get, and, you know, let me know what you find in the comments. Thanks for watching.